Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x800701b1 on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove any peripherals connected to your system, and I'll tell you why. These peripherals are usually the culprit in such issues because they start pushing in their own drivers, be it a printer, a scanner, camera, or anything. The second solution is to connect the external drive, which is problematic if the issues with an external drive, through a different USB port. So it's written a port, I will mention USB port. And then you can update the disk drive drivers. Which ones? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for disk drives. Right click on this and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Click on Windows Update on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to perform a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and then hit enter. Press Y and then hit enter. Now I won't hit enter, else it will initiate the scan on my system, but you have to type Y and then hit enter. The last solution is an SFC scan because the issue may be caused due to missing and corrupt system files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter. This will initiate the SFC scan on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.